Hello dear friends, today we are going to learn a new lesson. Lesson's name is The Enchanted Pool, which is written by C. Rajagopalachari, that is Chakravarti Rajagopalachari. The present lesson is taken from C. Rajagopalachari's book. A book's name is Mahabharata. Already we have discussed about the characters. In this lesson, C. Rajagopalachari has shown such a the conflict between Pandavas and the Kauravas. There are 5 Pandavas and more than 100 Kauravas. There was a conflict between both. Already one incident was happened. One day what happened? They played a game. They means who? Kauravas and the Pandavas played a game of dice. As they in that the game they lost, means Pandavas lost, and here as per their conditions they went to the forest. There means in forest they wandered one place to another place for food, for the basic needs. Here such the picture is shown by our C. Rajagopalachari in this lesson. Now here we discuss about the pre-reading activity or warm-up activity, and now here we concentrate on warm-up activity. Unit number first, before you read. Before you read. When we talk about people, we discuss their qualities. The box given below has some words which best describe people. Sit in a small groups and classify them under desirable and not so desirable category. You may consult a good dictionary or your teacher. Means already here in our pre-reading activity or before you read or warm-up activity, here there are the 2 qualities are given here. Which are they? The first quality is that is a desirable qualities, and the second qualities are that is the undesirable qualities, means not so desirable qualities. Good qualities as well as the bad qualities. Such a qualities means bad qualities as well as good qualities are given in the boxes. Some words are there, list of words are given in the box. Which are they? Now we are going to read. Courage, amicability, gentleness, sympathy, kindness, helpfulness, enthusiasm, wisdom, affection, honesty, selfishness, cruelty, humility, faithfulness, endurance, perseverance, determination, negligence, carelessness, carelessness, and arrogance. Such a words shows us that is a good qualities as well as bad qualities. Now here it is a homework for you. Now you go to the dictionary and you should find out this meaning, and such the words you can put in a 2 column. The first column is known as desirable quality. Second column is that undesirable quality. You classify them. It is a homework for you. You try to understand the meaning of each word, and you decide yourselves such the word is a good quality or that is a bad quality. Such the word is a desirable quality or that is the undesirable quality. It is a homework for you. Now we concentrate on the next task. What is the next task? You see, perhaps you have some ideas about what good and bad qualities are. Read the following story to know more about them from Yudhishthira, the eldest brother of Pandavas. Already we know that there are 5 Pandavas like Yudhishthira, Sahadeva, Nakula, Bhima and Arjuna. Who was Yudhishthira? Yudhishthira was the elder brother of all Pandavas, remaining Pandavas. And so here, such the quality he acquired, means Yudhishthira acquired such a good quality. He was a good person. He was a good person. Yudhishthira was a good person, means good quality he bear. And means here, other quality means the bad qualities as well as the good qualities. We are going to learn through these characters. Through these characters. The Pandavas, Kauravas, through this character now we are going to learn. And now here we concentrate on our lesson. Lesson's name is that The Enchanted Pool, which is written by C. Raj Gopalchari. Now here we concentrate on it. In the Mahabharata, the Pandavas lost everything in the game of dice to Kauravas and had to live in the forest for 12 years. During this period, they had to constantly move from one place to another place for safety and to meet their daily needs. One day in the 12th year, the Pandavas brothers wandered deep into the forest in a pursuit of deer. It is a background for our story. And now here we concentrate on that, the background. What happened in Mahabharata? The Pandavas lost everything in the game of dice to Kauravas. And already we know that in Mahabharata, they played such a game of dice. And in that the game, they lost, Pandavas lost. It was a bad luck of Pandavas. It was a bad luck of Pandavas, and now here in that the game, yes, they lost. And as per their condition, one who lost in that the game, they went to the forest and they lead their life. How many years? 12 years. 12 years. And so here, in the Mahabharata, the Pandavas lost everything in the game of dice. Game of dice means Phashancha Khel. Yes, त्या फाशांच्या खेळमध्ये ते हरतात. Who? That is the Pandavas. To the Kauravas and had to live in the forest for 12 years. And as per their condition, they lead their life. How many years? 12 years in the forest. During this period, they had to constantly move from one place to another place for safety. And there means in forest, they faced so many difficulties. They faced so many hardship. Hardship came in their life, Pandava's life. And now here, during this period, means during 12 years, they had to constantly means often, varamvar or frequently, varamvar, move from one place to another place. They wandered one place to the another place for safety. For safety. You know that the jungle area is a very dangerous area. And they lead their life in jungle, not in their house. No. As per their condition, they went to the forest. Yes, now here, during this period, they had constantly moved from one place to another place for safety and to meet their daily needs. Daily needs, basic needs. What are the basic needs? Already you know that we want there is the food, we want the shelter, yes, the water we want, yes, everything we want. It is our basic needs. And now here they wandered one place to the another place. Wandered means that is a bhatakne, not wonder. Not a wonder. There is a difference between wonder and wonder. Yes. Wonder means that is a miracle, Ashcharyachakit. And the another word, that is a wonder. Wonder means move from one place to another place. Move from one place to another place. One place to another place. Yes, the here wonder means miracle. Asharyachakit, wonder. And wonder means bhatakne, one place, move from one place to another place. It is known as, that is a homophone. Homophone is a grammatical concept. Homophone means, what is the meaning of homophone? Same pronunciation, but its meaning and spelling and origins are different. It is known as homophone. Now we concentrate on the paragraph number first. The sun was overhead, hot overhead, and the 5 brothers grew more and more weary and thirsty. Yudhishthira sank down under a tree to rest and said to Nakula, "Brother, climb that tree and see whether there is any pool or river nearby." Nakula climbed at the tree. Nakula climbed the tree and looked around, said, "At a little distance, I see water plants and the cranes. There must be certainly water there." Now here, those days were the sunny days and the sun was hot overhead. One side they wandered one place to the another place to complete the basic needs. And now here they were thirsty, they were weary. And one side, yes, the hot was the sun was very hot. The sun was hot overhead, and the 5 brothers grew more and more weary and thirsty. Weary means tired. T-I-R-E-D, tired. Weary means tired. Tired, weary and thirsty, Yudhishthira sank down under a tree to rest and said to Nakula, "Brother, climb the tree and see whether there is any pool or river nearby." And now here Yudhishthira sank. Sank means sat. S-A-T, sat. Sat, it is a past tense of sit. S-I-T, sit. Sit means basne. Sank means basla. Yes, now the Yudhishthira sank down under a tree to rest. He needed a rest. 5 Pandavas needed a rest. And so that's why, as a elder brother, you know that is a Yudhishthira. Yudhishthira sat down under a tree to take a rest or to rest. And said, he ordered to that Nakula, climb that tree and see whether there is any pool or the river nearby. Why he said like that? Because he was very, very thirsty. Because he was very thirsty, and he ordered to the Nakula to see the water or river nearby. He followed his orders. And then Nakula, what was the activity of the Nakula? What was the reply of the Nakula? You see, Nakula accepted the order, accepted his words, Yudhishthira's words, and Nakula climbed the tree. Nakula climbed the tree and looked around and said, "At a little distance, brother, at a little distance, I see water plants and cranes." Water plants means पानवेल, पाण्यात उगवणाऱ्या वनस्पती, and the crane means that is the name of the bird. Name of the bird, that is a bagala. He saw the 2 things. The first thing is that the water plants, and second thing is that is the cranes he saw. And both things indicates that maybe there was a water. Definitely, maybe there was a water. Already we know that. Nakula climbed the tree and looked around and said, "At a little distance, thoda sa antaravarti, at a little distance, I see water plants and the cranes. There must certainly be water there." Maybe there was a water. Maybe there was a water. Certainly. Why? Because 2 things shows us, indicates that is the water plants and that is the cranes. After that, Yudhishthira sent him to fetch some water to drink. Nakula was glad when he got to the place and saw there was a pool. He was very thirsty and himself, and so thought of quenching his thirst first before taking water in the cave for his brother. But no sooner did he dip his hand in the transparent water. Then he heard the voice which said, "Stop, Nakula, do not drink, do not drink, this pool belongs to me. Oh son of Madri, answer my questions, answer my questions." And then they drink the water. When he heard such the words, Nakula was totally surprised. Nakula was surprised, but carried away by his intense thirst and heedless of the warning. He knelt down and he began to drink water. At once, he began to feel terribly drowsy and he fell down, to all appearance dead. Now here, he accepted his words. He followed his words, followed his order. Why? Because already we know that in our Indian culture, we always respect to that elder person. Like that, Nakul also respected to elder person, that is a Yudhishthira. And he followed his order, and then the year after that, Yudhishthira sent the Yudhishthira to fetch some water, some water to drink. Fetch means to bring, bring means anane. Fetch means bring, bring means anane. Yes, Yudhishthira sent Nakula to bring some water to drink. Nakula was very happy now. Nakula was very happy when he got to the place. And now here, he reached to the pool. He saw such the water, and now when he saw such the water, he was very, very happy. And now here, Nakula was glad when he got the place. He saw there was a pool. He was very thirsty himself. All 5 Pandavas were thirsty, weary. Already we know that. Hungry also, we know that. And now here, he was very thirsty himself, and so thought of the quenching his thirst first before taking water in cure for his brothers. And before that, before taking some water for his brothers, with the help of that is a cure. Cure means what? What is spelling of the cure? Quifer. Cure means that is the case for arrows. केस फॉर एरोज, त्याला आपण भाता असं म्हणतो मराठीमध्ये, त्याला भाता असं म्हणतो. जे बाणा, धनुष्यबाण जे आहेत, जे ठेवण्यासाठी जी पाठीमागे जी जागा असते किंवा जे साधन असतं त्याला आपण भाता असं म्हणतो. त्यालाच इंग्रजीमध्ये क्यूअर म्हणतात. In those days, there were no any bottles, there were no any water bags, there were no any other, that is a pot. No. He used such a cure to take such a water from the pool for his brothers. And so, but before that, before taking such a water, with the help of the cure, he was drinking some water. He was tried to drink some water from the pool. It was a thought of our, that is Nakula. Yes, he was very thirsty himself, and so thought of the quenching. Quenching means tahan bhagavine in Marathi, that is a tahan bhagavine. Thought of quenching means in English, that is satisfy thirst by drinking water. Such the meaning will get in our glossary. You go to the glossary, you study such the glossary, you will get its meaning. Thought of the quenching. Quenching is the thirst first before taking water in a cure for his brothers. But no sooner did he dip his hand in the transparent water, than he heard the voice. When he put his hand into the transparent water, the water was a transparent. Paradarshak. Transparent means paradarshak. When he put his hand into the transparent water to drink some water. Why? You know that he was thirsty. His thought was like that, to complete his thirst by drinking some water. And so that's why he put his hand into that transparent water and he tried to drink some water. When he put his hand into the transparent water, suddenly he heard the voice. Such a voice. Nobody was there, but voice was there. But which type of voice? That is invisible being or invisible voice. Adrushya manav तिथं होता आणि तोच त्याला आवाज ऐकायला मिळाला. Nobody was there actually. Physically, nobody was there. Physically, nobody was there. Now he was a drink. Yes, he heard such the voice of the invisible being or invisible. That is the voice. Then the voice said to that our Nakula, stop Nakula, do not drink. Stop Nakula, do not drink. This pool belongs to me. This pool belongs to me. I am owner of that the pool. I am owner of that the pool. Yes, this pool is a belong to me. माझा pool हा माझ्या मालकीचा आहे. Do not drink. He did not permit to him to drink water. Why? Because this pool was a belong to that invisible being or invisible voice. Invisible means adrush. Stop Nakula, do not drink, this pool belong to me. Oh son of Madri. Already we know that both were sons of Madri, Sadeva and Nakula. He said to that Nakula, oh son of Madri, answer my questions first. Answer my questions and then drink water. Then drink water. It was a condition of a invisible voice or invisible being. Condition. It was a warning. It was a warning which was given by invisible being or invisible voice to our Nakula. Nakula was a surprise when he heard such a voice, invisible voice, or warning of that warning voice, warning of the invisible voice, invisible being. Nakula was a surprise. Totally he was surprised, but carried away by his intense thirst and heedless of the warning. But one side, his thirst forced him, go there and drink some water. Drink some water. Go there and drink some water. आणि आपल्याला माहिती आहे तहान आणि भूक कोणताही वाईट प्रसंग जरी घडला असेल तर ती आपल्याला भागवावीच लागते. याचाही पर्याय नव्हता. त्याला त्या पर्याय नव्हता. And now here he tried to complete his thirst first. And so here he carried away the intense thirst, tivr, intense, that is the thirst, and heedless of the warning. Heedless means neglected. Heedless means that is a neglected. Heedless of the warning, he knelt down. Gudge tekto. He knelt down and he began to drink water. He had no any alternative. He had no any option. Yes, why? Because his intense thirst forced him go there and drink some water. He had no any alternative. He had no any options. And now here, yes, he went there and drank some water. What was the result? When he drank some water from the pool, what was the result? What had happened in the life of Nakula? Now here, you see, he knelt down and began to drink water. At once, he began to feel terribly drowsy. Drowsy means that is a sleepy. Drowsy means that is a sleepy. He began to feel terribly drowsy and he fell down. Who fell down? Nakula fell down like to all appearance dead. To all appearance dead. Means his state was, that is unconscious state. Unconscious means Beshuddha avastha. Means he was not died. He was not died. Yes, now here he was unconscious. He was in an unconscious state, and like that the words are given here. To all appearance dead. म्हणजे मेल्यासारखे ते दिसतायत. We'll see after.